For demanding multi-sided and high-precision machining applications, the FEELER VUX-400 4+1-axis vertical machining center delivers flexible and stable multi-axis machining capabilities. The machine features XYZ axis travels of 650, 520, and 480 mm. With an A-axis range from +30 to -120 degrees and full 360-degree C-axis rotation, it provides the flexibility required for multi-sided machining. Before machining begins, toolpaths and machining sequences are fully prepared in advance. An automatic tool changer and 12,000 revolutions per minute direct drive spindle keep machining operations moving efficiently. With a single setup, the workpiece can be repositioned to access multiple machining surfaces, reducing repeated alignment and fixture changes while improving accuracy and productivity. The AICC axis optimized tool approach angles for side surfaces, angled features, deep holes, and undercuts, while shorter tool overhangs help maintain rigidity and surface quality. The spindle and axis work in coordination, while continuous coolant flow removes heat and chips for stable machining. From single-sided to multi-sided machining, the VUX-400 integrates complex machining processes in one machine for greater productivity and stability. For more information about the VUX-400, please contact the FEELER professional team.